In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AWeber to Squarespace so you can use your AWeber form directly on your Squarespace website and start collecting email subscribers. Begin by opening your AWeber account in one browser tab and your Squarespace website in another. Once both are ready, switch back to your AWeber tab. On the left side menu, click on Pages and Forms, then choose Sign Up Forms. Here you'll see all the sign-up forms you've previously created. If you haven't made one yet, be sure to watch our dedicated video on how to create sign-up forms in AWeber. Find the form you want to add to your website, click on the three dots next to it, and select Publish. When the publishing options appear, click on Raw HTML. The code will be displayed. Click on it once to copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to your Squarespace tab, navigate to the specific page where you'd like the form to appear, and click Edit. Hover your mouse over the area where you want the form and click Add Block. In the search box, type Code, and once it appears, click on it. A code editor block will appear. Click on the small pencil icon above the box to edit. Delete any default code that's there, then paste in the HTML code you copied from AWeber. You can stretch the edges of this block to center your form neatly on the page. If you need to make additional adjustments, you can do that here too. Once satisfied, click Save at the top left corner of your screen and then click Exit. When you preview your page, you'll now see your AWeber form embedded. Any visitors who sign up through this form will have their details sent directly to your AWeber account. And that's how you can connect AWeber to Squarespace.